Drift to Survive, Episode 1, Intro!
Rolling ka lang, rolling ka.
Pwede ba nakapakilid? Okay, sige. Rolling!
My name is Kim Del Canosa. I am a creative director, producer, cinematographer, and I'm also a professional racist. Professional racist. Mali ata.
You go from sim to real life, easy. I drifted in real life before I went to the sim. I could drive like a month because I was like, where is
In less than 15 minutes.
Wow.
Less than 15.
Already graduated donut.
Yeah.
No, that's really good because I didn't have sim when I started. My whole first day was donut for a whole day.
Let's go, tandem!
Magaling. Pagkaya yung mga sim drivers, magagaling sila.
Grabe. 1:1 talaga. It's the same. It's the freaking same. Mind-blowing.
At yan, kaya mo mag-transition. No questions with that. So, kailangan natin ng proper line.
Parang nung nasa sim ako, nung first time ako nagka-try, nahirapan ako. Parang conservative pa yung driving ko, siyempre di natin kotse. Alam mo yung midlife crisis, parang, kami ng bubo ko ba? Di ako makadrift? Parang gano'n.
Medyo risk lang for us kasi hindi talaga namin ginagawa lalo pang sabi lang.
Paano? Second gear yun.
Okay lang.
Yeah. Okay sa'yo, ba't hindi mo pa nasubukan yung second gear? At wala ka ng gulong. Hindi ba yun, bro? Yung second gear, ba't nag-boost yun, labas puwet? Promise.
Can we do it in real life? We will see.
Trace mo lang with the 8, with the second gear. Tapos try mo, what? Clutch.
Right now, I'm trying to see if driving in the sim can translate into real life. So a little bit of a background. So I used to race in a two-wheel scene. I was competing on a national road race events way back 2015, 2016. And then I stopped because of an accident that kind of caused my wife having a nervous breakdown. Since then, I tried to stay away from motorsports, but it is really in my blood. I'm also an esport driver. I've been competing in a national series like AAP National Esport Championship, so circuit racing.
I think I have at least 100 hours of sim drifting in Assetto Corsa all throughout the years that I've been circuit driving. So magkaiba eh. It's a grip versus drifting, di ba? I would say dahil sa practice ko sa sim racing, yung transition into real life is going to be a lot easier, I assume, bago tayo sumalang sa loob. So magandang meron tayo muscle memory foundation that we have trained sa sim drifting. And we'll see how it's gonna go pagka sumalang tayo mamaya sa loob ng track.
Hi, ako nga pala si Carl Montaner and I'm a professional drifter, almost 20 years drifting. Last competition ko was 2023 Drift Matsuri. I was the champion. And my partner, Ras Agapito, nag-decide kami na magtayo ng drift school, which is Drive Hard Performance. We are very honored na napili kami ni Kim para kami ang maging coach niya for his land from sim drifter to real drifting. Okay, so Kim, ang una natin gagawin is donut muna. Basically, marunong ka naman na mag-drift sa sim. So, parang ganito rin naman to. So,
Okay.
ang wala ka lang sa sim is yung feel ng kotse.
Right.
So, yun lang yung malaking difference dito. I want you to feel the car, like drive muna natin, di ba?
Gotcha.
Feel mo muna yung throttle, yung brakes, yung steering. And then after that, pag na-feel mo na lahat, try mo na yung style mo kung paano mag-donut
Right.
sa way mo.
Sige.
Then nasa loob din naman ako to check kung proper ba yung paghahak mo sa steering or your throttle control kasi doon tayo magsa-start. Left and right donut tayo. So after that, let's see kung makakapag-figure 8 ka na. Ayun, yun lang.
Exciting.
Okay, let's go.
Well, let's get started.
Okay, just feel the car, drive around, yun lang naman ang goal natin ngayon. Okay, diba? So as you can see and feel, magaan siya sa lahat. So kahit sili na magaan, clutch niya malambot, full stop muna tayo. So roll mo.
Okay.
try mong ihataw to feel. Huwag ka muna mag-segunda. Try mo lang hataw yung first gear. Okay. Tabaho. Sige, tabaho.
Di ba?
Yeah. Magaan siya. Okay, full stop. Kung sa akin,
Okay.
ganito yung talagang style ko.
Gotcha.
Kahit sasabihin nila, hindi, boss, marunong ako, hindi. Gusto kong makita. Kasi ibang kotse ulit to. Parang ganun. Tsaka maarte kami sa side namin, sa team namin, sa throttle control. Gusto natin smooth eh. Hindi tayo basta power lang ng power. Okay? So now, try mo to launch the car. Your way. Harder launch.
Harder?
Harder.
Okay.
Kasi yung launch natin, nga natin ginagawa, ito rin yung start ng donut natin.
Gotcha,
So
gotcha.
ngayon, keep it in a straight line, try to launch it hard, pero you control your throttle na hindi mag-rev limit. Oh,
Okay, okay, okay.
okay. Concentrate, let's go. Deep pa. More throttle. Sige, okay lang. Diretso mo ito. Hard launch, pero after the launch, you control your throttle. Nice! Yan. So try mo i-donut yung outside of the box. So ganong launch, same launch. So ngayon, dahil mag-feel mo na yung
First gear?
First gear lang. So position your car. So I'm just here to observe and to correct kung ano yung hindi namin gusto.
Okay. Go.
Yes sir.
Okay, gotcha.
Are you ready? Concentrate. Okay. So, iba rin siya.
Yeah.
So, yung setup mo sa sim na pag tinurn-in mo, baka lumalabas agad yung puwet.
Yeah.
Diba? So, this is very different. Diba? So, ngayon, okay naman. Kasi, ang talaga tinitingnan ko doon, kung mabubuhol ba yung kamay mo, kung magpapakita.
Okay.
So, isa rin yun. Ang sure ako na hindi mangyayari.
Mm.
Pero, ang sure ko na iba yung setup mo sa sim and yung feel din itong kotse.
Yeah.
So, pero maganda naman. So, dagdagan pa ng konting power para lumabas pa yun. Para hindi ka nag-turn in masyado. Your turn in is just the first initial. After that, counter steer na. Pero more throttle and no rev limit.
Okay.
Okay, one more. Concentrate and look at your target. Nice. So, okay. So, nag-left foot ka,
Okay.
tendency, same thing na naman sa sim, lalabas agad yung puwet, papako yung harapan. So, gagawin mo yun on the later part. Basta donut, you don't
Sige,
need the left foot.
sige.
Kasi nangyari, tanong mo, okay na sana. Yung left foot mo, Yeah.
Nag-tighten up yung circle eh.
yes, tapos labas yung puwet. Okay. Okay naman siya. So, ngayon, ang tatanggalin natin is yung on and off mo. Wutch. Ang nangyari doon, wutch, kapit. Dulas, kapit. Kaya, medyo ganun ka. So, I want it,
Okay.
wow! Walang off.
Mas smoother yung...
Yes. Huwag ka mag-off. Kaya yun ang nakatapa ka. Kunwari, 70, 60, 70, hindi pa rin 70 off, 70 off.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, mark.
Sige. Probably kasi yung sa sim, higher horsepower.
Yes. So, kahit yung ganun mo, hindi gumaganon yung kotse.
Right.
Okay? Yung tendency ng on and off, tinan mo, turn in ka ng turn in, tapos counter steer, turn in. Kasi yung ang laking difference ng on and off.
Okay, gotcha.
Doon sa setup mo, dahil high horsepower, grabe yung wheel spin eh. So kahit yung on and off mo, tuloy-tuloy siya. Dito, dahil mabagal yung kotse natin, kumakapit.
Okay.
Kumakapit siya. Okay, let's go. Nice! Very nice! Very smooth! Yan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Advantage. Advantage. Okay, turn in. That's good.
Yes, go!
Diba? So, the more smoother you are sa throttle mo, mas madali yung buhay mga steering.
Okay,
Diba?
gotcha.
So, try mo naman to the right. So, yung right, personally, nahirapan ako dyan nung
Okay.
start ko. Bakit? Yung target ko is far away from me.
Far away.
So, nakakahilo para sa akin. Parang, putang ina, nagawa ko na nung ganda yung left ko eh. Yung right ko parang, gago, ang hirap naman yan.
Okay,
diba?
okay.
So, same launch, same throttle control.
Tama nga, it feels weirder na.
Diba? Ang weird,
mas
diba?
malayo
Ang
yung
layo eh.
target.
So, ang technique na naisip ko dyan nung nag-start ako is kailangan talaga medyo nakalabas talaga yung puwet or mas malapit ako para madali ko
Mas
makikita.
tanaw mo.
Nandito lang din siya.
Target.
Diba? Okay. One more. Concentrate. Good throttle control. Same launch. Let's go. Diba? Ang sarap sa feeling na, wow! Hindi ka nagpapanik, hindi galit. Alam mo yon, hindi mo inaasahan lahat ng,
Tama.
we don't like that. Dun sa team namin, that's how we do it. Kasi, mabait sa kotse yun. At the same time, yung throttle modulation mo, kahit ilagay mo sa sim yun, sa circuit, or sa drifting, mas maganda yung performance mo. Dahil, kaya mo i-modulate eh. Alam mo yun?
Sarap.
Okay, back to the pits tayo. Pahinga naman ulit. So after that, ang next natin, dahil kaya mo naman eh.
Okay.
Kaya mo naman. Saglit lang tayo doon. Wala pa tayo mga 15 minutes. Nagawa mo na left and right. So, sabi ko nga, konting adjustment lang with you. Kasi syempre, iba talaga yung sim. Nagawa mo. So, next natin
Pero-
is figure 8.
You know what, bro? 1:1. Sim to ba? So, para lang ako gumamit ng ibang car sa sim.
Oh, okay. From Kim's driving, so kung hindi ko alam na sim drifter siya or sim driver, mukhang alam ko na nagre-racing siya. Marunong talaga. Magandang tulong talaga yung nagawa ng sim. Sobrang daling i-adjust.
Hi guys, this is Kim.
Sarap.
Hi, Car. Yeah,
Brother.
Yeah, we're friends on Facebook. How are you?
Hi. See you, man. Yeah, we had a chat. Yeah.
So you're doing your second trip day or first?
First.
Oh, first.
Real first.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
How was it so far?
Like I told him, it's 1-to-1 on the sim. It's like a different car pa. Just a different car.
Yeah.
I can tell the
Yeah.
feeling of...
Yeah.
Right?
Easier in real life because you can.
Actually, yeah, it is.
You go from sim to real life easy. Because I drifted in real life before I went to the sim, I could drive like a month because I was like, where is the car? So going from real life to sim, is
The
super
feeling.
fucking hard. But sim
Right.
in real life is like, I've got all of these extra things that I can now feel as well.
The good thing with sim drifters, just small adjustment.
Correct.
They do.
Yeah, they already said.
I just told him to fix his throttle control and done. Left and right, donut, easy.
Yeah.
Easy. So I told him, go in, let's relax.
There's no reset button.
Figure 8 next. In less than 15 minutes.
Wow.
Less than 15.
Already graduate donut.
Yeah.
Let's go, tandem!
In 20 minutes tandem.
You'll be in the guys like reset button. Where's the reset button? Where's the reset? We're back to pits. Where's the pits?
Back to pits!
Where's the back to pits button?
No, but that's really good because I didn't have sim when I started. My whole first day was donut for a whole day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dapat madaya kasi kung konting sabi ko lang, maagas niya eh. Sabi ko, takinig ka.
Madaya din yung kotse namin eh.
Today, magta-tandem na to ah. Today, magta-tandem na to. So, donut, give me very, very nice donut. Like, close, tapos ibuka mo konti.
Control, okay.
Tapos balik mo, your throttle, same thing, control mo lang. And then after that, right naman, pag talagang satisfied na ako, I want to figure 8 na.
Sige.
With this set, para sulit natin yung set na to.
Sige.
Okay? Ready? Concentrate. Let's go! Ang relax mo na ngayon. Para sa donut, di ba?
Tapos parang to compensate pag feeling ko nag-understeer, yung weight transfer na gano'n.
Konti lang.
Tama ba yun?
Pwede naman, pero sa donut, not necessarily. Or hindi mo talaga
Saan ko siya pwedeng habulin? Pag feeling ko kulang ako sa angle.
Dagdag mo konti throttle.
Sa throttle.
Konti lang. Kasi pag ginanon mo naman, it will stay the same, will spin lang.
Overspin
So,
naman.
konti lang. Tapos, konting turn in lang, konti lang. So, again, na-feel mo na yung kotse.
Yes.
Kung paano siya kumikilos. Tama yung sinasabi mo. Pero, sa akin, gusto ko, tapakan mo ng konting throttle. Pag hindi gumana yung ad na konting throttle, turn in mo konti. Tapos lalabas na yung kwento. Tapos, madali mo siyang ibabalik to counter steer. Di ba? Okay, let's go. To the right.
Pwede ko bakit tayo mag-180 na gano'n? Sige.
Ano ba? Sige, bilisan mo. Tapos ako ka. So, uusok ko yung cones natin for you to have ng figure 8 naman.
Okay, gotcha. Sarap, sir!
Try mo yung kotse, ikot-ikot para cool down natin. So ngayon, try mo lang siya i-drive into an egg.
Ito, drive lang muna.
So, pag-drive dyan. So, ang pinakamahirap din talaga, kahit sa sim, for sure, is yung transition, di ba? So, gusto ko na agad ma-feel mo yung transition in real life eh. Kaya, figure tayo agad. Kasi feeling ko kaya mo na rin eh. Pero syempre, iba pa din. So, yan. So, technique dyan, kailangan, syempre medyo malaki angle mo to have the snap going back.
Okay. Lalo doon sa edge nung doon kabilang
Oo.
8.
So, actually, pag nag-drawing ako ng 8, di ba parang ganyan? So, pero ang proper way of doing this, parang dalawang bilog. Na yung
Yeah.
mga mag-iwan ka ng 20%, tapos back-snap. Okay, balik. Okay, and try mo go to the middle ka na. Tapos try mo, yung first corner mo is to the left. Tapos donut mo muna.
Donut ko muna to.
This is second, tsaka mo i-switch. Okay, to the left, let's go. Okay, prepare for transition ha. Prepare for transition. Nice! Hina na. Prepare for transition ha. It's okay, let's go! Okay. So, ngayon kaya mo mag-transition.
Okay.
No questions with that. So, kailangan natin ng proper line. So, kaya ako pinapaturo doon, syempre hindi mo naririnig din na wider before you transition.
Wider.
Kasi nangyayari, kung ito yung cone mo,
Malapit ka sa con.
then naggagaling ka dito, parang you're going
Okay.
sharp. No, kailangan ganyan, spak.
Karirista kasi. Kaya yung
Yes.
apex yung linya eh.
Oo. So, kaya sabi ko, kaya mo mag-transition eh. Kaya mo mag-switch back. Pero we want the switch back to be wide, then bang! Switch ka. Hindi yung didikit ka dito, then dito ka mag-switch, no?
Pinasok ko agad.
Oo. So, make it wide. So, parang andyan na yung ano mo, boom! Tsaka may babalik.
Okay.
Okay, one more. Pero tingnan, ang dali. Madali yung buhay ko as a coach. Madali. Okay, concentrate. Look at your targets. Let's go. Prepare. Wider. Go. Nice. Wider, ah. Okay, prepare. That's it. So, una mo, ang ganda.
Oo.
Di ba? Ganda. Pagbalik mo dito ka ulit. So ito na yung cone mo tsaka ng transition, kaya tatapon ka talaga.
Oo.
So your target pa rin is always in the middle.
Okay.
So kaya every time magka-transition ka, wide angle, then boom, transition. Wide angle, then transition. Okay? Step natin. Drive na tayo. May hangin. Yun ang problem sa drifting din. Walang hangin. May laging sideways. Kaya kami nalas, gusto namin mag-sim. Kasi namin na kahit pumarap tayo ng opening walang opening. So yung transition mo bro, maganda kaya mong saluhin, alam mo kung saan saluhin. It's just the lines na lang. Di ba? Where will you transition, saan ka mag-switch back, lines lang. Pero kaya mong saluhin, alam, nararamdaman mo ng kotse, you feel everything. Yung throttle control, pag sinalo mo, ang ganda rin. Okay? One more. So parang yan, nakaharap ka stop. So nakaharap ka dito. Dito dapat nakaharap, tapos bang, balik. So same thing. Pagka transition ka, nakaharap ka
Yung way
dito.
transfer yung mag-help na.
Yes. So kailangan malaking angle, huwag mong erasing line, huwag papunta doon. So kailangan lumalabas yung puwet. So parang nakaganyan ka na, boom, babalik mo. Always remember, yung pagka-drawing mo ng 8, dalawang bilog.
Tumitikit ako lagi sa ano eh, instinct ng racing eh. Alam mo yung
Racing line eh.
racing line niya eh.
Ay, wala nang laman. Okay? Let's go. Concentrate. Big angle before Diba?
Sarap.
So the more angle you have before the switch, boom, parang automatic. Gagawin kamay mo ganito. Para ka nag-isim.
Yan, actually, sinatry ko nga yung ginagawa ko na may saltik na gana sa
Medyo hindi siya kailangan.
Okay.
Ginawa ko siya kanina.
Ginawa ko eh.
Sabi ko, uulitin kaya niya kasi pipigilan ko. Pero naman after that, normal. So yun yung medyo mayabang kami ng school car namin. Ano ang bait ng school car? Parang gano'n.
Ang bait ng ano niya kahit let go and catch lang ako eh.
Yes.
Let it go and catch. Yun lang.
Line na lang. Line lang talaga.
Line lang,
Pero the way you catch everything, yung switchback mo, transition mo, andun lahat. Yung pag transition mo, then yung bitaw sa gas, pagtapak mo, yung when you catch it, andun lahat. Line lang. Okay, pahinga tayo. Mag-refill lang ako ng tubig ulit.
Sige. Wala tayo pasok.
Yeah. Galing. Hindi ako stressed. Yun ang pinakamagaan sa akin, tsaka masama.
Dali, no?
Hindi stress si coach.
Sarap ah!
Wala ako ah.
Sarap, wala. Sarap mag-transition yun. Kasi yung masarap na part eh, yung transition. Napakasarap. Ito ang advantage. Yung feeling na to nagagawa din dun sa sim. Kaya everyday, parang gusto mong umupo sa sim, pwede ka mag-practice. Sabi nga nila, gusto rin nila magbuo ng sim eh. Dahil nga, walang overheat, di ka gagastos sa gulong, may internet kuryente lang and computer. Pwede ka mag-drift na mag-drift. Iba't ibang layout all throughout the world. Kaya ang saya. Pero syempre, experiencing it real time, real life. Saya. Pero 1:1 talaga. Sim to real life. It's the same. It's a freaking same. Mind-blowing. Saya.
Sabi ko lang, medyo risk lang for us kasi hindi talaga namin ginagawa yun pag-bago. But gets naman, naiintindihan mo naman yung coach. You can do it. Just be safe. Kasi I won't be beside. So malagyan ng pole, gusto mong clear yung pole, so you do it.
Pwede rin siguro. Pwede siguro.
May guide ka na mas malaki. Paano? Second gear yun.
Okay lang.
Yeah. Okay, sa'yo, but
Yeah, I know.
hindi mo pa nasusubukan yung
Second gear.
niya.
Okay.
At wala ka ng gulong. Iba yun bro. Yung second gear, pag nag-boost yun, labas puwet.
I know.
Promise.
Tama.
So,
Yun yung sweet spot na gear eh.
oo. Pwede naman, with second gear mo na.
Oo.
Okay mo. Lalaki lang natin.
Lakihan lang natin yung ano. Oo, sige lang natin.
Oo. Gusto ko lang.
Sige.
So ngayon, mas malaki na yung bilog mo.
Okay.
Yung figure 8 mo, mas malaki na.
Okay.
So, first gear, second gear, normal lang. I-rolling mo na second gear. Di ba? I-trace mo lang with the 8, with the second gear. Tapos try mo, clutch kick.
Clutch kick.
Oh, feel mo lang. Yung clutch kick mo para ma-feel mo, ay, ganun pala mag-boost tong second gear na to. So, para alam mo lang. So, pag na-feel mo na, try mo lang on the other side, second gear, rolling, kulati mo lang. May feel mo na yan. And then listen, kasi I won't be decided. Okay?
Dito na nga, sa kabila. Halakas nga ng ano niya,
Diba?
mag-oversteer.
Pero okay yung kanina mo ha.
Oo.
Yung second to the last. Yun yung nakakagulat sa second gear. Kaya
Oo.
winard kita. Pero, maganda yung kanina mo. Pasok mo na ulit sa pit.
Pasok mo na.
Fill up lang ng gas. So, ganun. Pero yun, ganda nung buha mo kanina. Pero better yan. Rolling ka na medyo may speed.
Yun nga inisip ko eh. Gusto ko nga entry yan eh.
Konti lang.
Oo.
Fuel mo tayo ulit. So, di ba na-feel mo? Classic po talabas agad yung kwet, di ba? So, roll mo na mas mabilis konti. At least, yung tapon, medyo may speed ka na.
Oo, tama. Oo.
Yun yung nakatao sa second gear. Pero nakasalungo pa rin naman eh. Alam pa rin naman sa pupunta yung kotse, nakakakulat na yung imping ng passer ng boost. Di ba? Compared dun sa sim, ang lakas ng kotse, may tapon, pero sa totoo, ganun eh.
Pero actually pareha siya ng result eh.
Di ba?
Yung oversteer na gano'n.
Oo, oversteer. Lalo sa malakas. Parang ganun putang ina. Pero kanina ganda. Pero pagbalik mo dito, okay na bitawa mo corners. Pero yun na yun.
Okay.
Okay? Go. Di ba figure 8 tayo?
Oo.
Ang pag nag-rolling ka, sundin mo yung figure 8.
Okay.
Diba? Tapos medyo mas mabilis. Para pag clutch kick mo, hindi bigla kahit na paano. What do you think? Ano, happy sa go? Kaya nga, like ko yung sabi, akin no problem. Sa'yo ko lang binigay na i-try mo yung second gear.
Tama.
But, pampandi ako na
Diba yung feeling na kung oversteer siya, kailangan ko pang malaman yung feel na
Pero
required.
medyo malapit na eh. Kasi, again, alam mo naman yung throttle control eh. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, rolling mo, tapos tapos, try mo pa din. Meron ka pa namang gulong. Pero medyo paubuso talaga.
Eh, ubusin mo na sa first gear na figure 8.
Kaya sabi ko,
Need more seat time for the second gear. Kailangan seat time.
Iba talaga.
Diba?
Iba talaga. Kasi paglabas ng puta, tapon eh. Diba?
Kailangan ko maramdaman yung required speed niya eh.
Yes. And
Kasi nag-oversteer sa
iba
akin.
yung anticipation for the second gear pag pumasok yung boost. Tapo talaga yung kotse eh. So
Oo.
yun yung nakakagulat eh.
Oo.
Kasi yung catching, wala kaya mo eh. Yung anticipation lang yung pag, wah! Hirap. Anyway, all good. Back to the
Go
bit.
back to the base. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go.
Yun, so we just finished yung first set of tires. Naubos na eh. Pero we got a call from bosses. Isang set pa daw ng tires para sulitin na natin yung araw today. Isa lang naman. Dahil bilis talaga maubos ng tires. Compared sa sim, unlimited eh. Unlimited yung tires. Kahit ilang beses kang umikot talagang kumbaga hindi ka maubusan ng tires. So in reality, yung tires talaga mabilis maubos. So far, ito yung nag-figure 8 na tayo. I was trying the second gear na figure 8. Pero tinatry ko pa iba yung boost ng second gear eh. Medyo conservative ako kaya nag-oversteer siya eh. Yung sa angle ko, nag-oversteer siya na nag-oversteer kaya nag-spin out. Kaya nung nag-try ako ulit ng first gear, mas a lot easier to manage. Ngayon, ubos na yung gulong natin. First set to. Pero we got a call from bosses. Sabi niya, sige na, isang set pa daw.
Paano mo na-overcome yung ano?
It's all about feeling talaga. So yung iba, actually muscle memory na eh. Yung throttle control yung talaga importante. Yung sa steering, halos di ko na iniisip eh. Automatic na siya nangyayari hanggang hinahayaan ko na lang to correct. Pero sarap talaga, sarap. Iba lang yung level ng second gear. I mean, I need more seat time for the second gear to get used to it kasi conservative pa yung driving ko. Siyempre, di natin kotse. Pero saya. Sarap. Talagang seat time talaga. Seat time din in real life. Parang nung nasa sim ako, nung first time ako nagtatry mag-aral, mag-drifting on the sim, nahirapan ako. Parang may ano pa ako eh. Alam mo yung midlife crisis. Parang, ang bubo ko ba? Hindi ako makadrift. Parang ganun yung feeling. Kasi alam mo yung concept, parang alam mo kung paano i-throw in to initiate the drift. Pero pag gagawin mo na, ganun yung nangyayari sa akin sa second gear. Nag-oversteer. Spin out yung likod. Hanggang sa eventually, no, nakuha na natin yung feel, we understand how it moves, how the car reacts. So, a lot much better.
What's next?
Next natin, we're gonna be having a new set of tires. Tapos probably continue natin yung second gear, bigger donuts, or maybe I can continue with this one to get a little bit more feeling about it. So ayun, teka lang, tumatawag si boss natin, no? Boss mo, so set mo tayo. Ano eh, bait na boss eh.
What is money? Diba? What is money kay Boss Kim?
Yan ang manager natin, si Ma'am Ses. So, like mentioned, we got a chance to get a second set of tires. Thanks to my wife. I love you. Thank you sa pag-sponsor of everything. So, dito naman sa second set of tires natin, I'm gonna be trying to drift with the second gear, bigger radius, faster transition. So, let's see. Parang ito yung first time na nagpa-practice ako ng drifting sa sim eh. I spin a lot because I am still trying to figure out how it should feel and eventually mag-get natin this time.
Bro, bagay mo na lahat, huwag lang yung helicopter na nilagay sa gitna. Punta ka na kahit pagsama-samahin natin lahat. Okay?
Okay, let's go.
Second gear, diba?
Second gear.
Rolling mo na. Basta pag-clutching mo, kailangan malaki yung counter slip. Okay lang mag-spin out. At least alam mo kung saan yung coach. counter-steer. Kailangan paglabas ng
Sabay. Ano, sa kaliwa nga ako nahihirapan. Baliktad na yung kanan ko, okay na eh.
Pero, yun nga, kailangan medyo baby yung clutching mo eh. Kaya parang, hayaan mo muna mag-understeer sa labas yung puwet. Tapos kulang na.
Okay.
Pero tuloy mo lang yun. Kasi yun na rin yun eh, napipil mo na eh. Pero, galing lang kasi mas nahirapan ka sa kanan. Mas nahirapan ka sa kaliwa.
Kaliwa?
Kaya doon na
Baliktad?
mas madali.
Yung kaliwa talaga eh, no?
Nakalagpas ka na gago, malapit na yan.
Yung kaliwa talaga eh.
Pero kita mo, yung segunda yung konting tamak ba? So yung control mo doon sa parang first gear mo, gagawin mo lang ulit dito. Pero mas mabilis lahat eh.
Oo, tama.
Yung konting input mo, mas malakas lumabot. So, kumbaga, mas agile ka sa lahat ngayon.
Tama.
Sa gear. Try mo lang.
Pero nadali din! Nadali din!
Pero pumunta ina, ganda. Tsaka yung kahit yung throttle mo, walang rev limit, sobrang control, anong time natin? Yan, pahinga mo na yan.
Sige.
So, ikot-ikot ka muna dito.
Ikot-ikot lang.
Helicopter, helicopter. Stress mo lang yun.
Nadali din yung second gear!
So ngayon, ginagawa mo, maglabas ng puwet, ang bilis mo nakaka-counter-steer, you know, that. It's very, very good. For less than 4 hours.
First day?
First day, da? Putang ina. First day, okay? Go back to the pits. Go!
This is the second set ng tires natin. This time, nag-practice tayo sa second gear. I tend to oversteer ka kasi may mga times napansin ko, nako-hold ko, hindi nagka-countersteer, nako-hold ko imbis na ma-let go ko siya, mag-countersteer lang kusa. Kaya nagsispin out. Kasi nung tinry ko yung kanan na ikot, nung nakuha ko ulit yung feeling, okay, yun na, diretso na. Sarap kasi mas malakas yung bato, mas malaki yung circle, parang you can feel the longer drift, super sulit.
So, the way we do it in Drive Hard Performance, we see it first yung mga drivers namin or yung mga students namin, how they handle the car. With Sir Kim, dahil sim drifter siya, it's easier to adjust little things, lalo sa throttle control, sa counter steering. Hindi ko nga tinuro sa kanya how to hold the wheel or the steering wheel. Compared to the real beginners na walang any background to racing, of course, wala din silang feel or know-how. So, mas madali, literal. Like ko nga inuulit kay Sir Kim nung nag-start kami, ang dali mong turuan, bro. Sabi ko, ang dali mong turuan dahil konting tweaks, konting adjustment, nagagawa mo agad.
Masasabi mo ba ngayon na talagang believer ka na sim drifting really work in real life?
Even before, I believed in sim drivers or sim drifters. They can practice 24/7 if they want. Ngayon, sa nakakita tayo ng mga sim drifters going into real life, mas naging believer ako na mas kaya nila, mas madali silang turuan. So kasi kami, sa Drive Hard Performance, we don't just push our students to do big layout, big entry, fast entry, or big drift. We don't do that. So ginagawa namin is slowly. So with sim drifters, wala yung slowly pace. So like kay Sir Kim, 15 minutes, tapos na yung left and right donut. Big, small donut, tapos na. In one day, in one session, only 4 tires, figure 8 na kami. Second gear. So yun yung advantage ng sim compared to literally a beginner driver or drifter. Kung gusto nyo matuto mag-drifting, Drive Hard Performance ang team namin. You can message me at Car Joseph on Facebook or Ras Agapito on Facebook. We are here to teach you proper drifting.
That's a wrap. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
So,
Puta,
ulit,
na.
kaya
Thank you.
Kaya,
Puta. Thank you. Ano bukas ulit?